If this video helps you in any way, or you would just like to see future skateboard content, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you. Alright, so I've been doing kick flips for as long as I can remember, at least 10 years, and before I could do them, I actually had to look at a video like this one because I wasn't sure what I was doing, and a lot of them were helpful, but a lot of them weren't. So in this video, I'm going to try to be as quick and helpful as I can and teach you how to do a kick flip the correct way. The kick flip is a fundamental, some say basic trick that's the foundation for almost every trick on a skateboard. It was created by, I believe, Rodney Mullen, and he named it the magic flip. But it took me months before I landed my first one, and it's a staple of a lot of skateboarders' careers. Honestly, it took me a very long time to learn kick flips. I'm not proud to admit it, but unlike a bunch of my other tricks, it took me months and months before I landed my first kick flip. Some of my tricks, like hard flip, I learned it really quick when I started trying it, but I mean, the kick flip was just misery. It was really hard to learn, and it's a basic foundation for a lot of tricks, and it's fundamental, and it's something you're gonna have to learn. So the most important step one, is confidence and practice. I want you to tell yourself you can land a kick flip, go out there and land a kick flip, and then do it until you can repeatedly land it bolts. Now, I'm not saying that if you follow this guide, you're going to go out there and land your first kick flip. Like I said, you're going to have to practice, because practice makes perfect. You're going to have to follow these steps correctly. I'm not going to tell you your foot placement, because everyone should be different. It should be whatever feels comfortable to you. Yeah, and I'll go outside and start rolling and skating at a decent speed, about the same speed you would normally just go down the street. Not too fast, not too slow. Never practice kick flips standing still or on your carpet or in the grass or anything like that. I know it's what a lot of people recommend, but I prefer doing my practicing where I'm actually going to be doing the tricks. So on the concrete in the street, risking getting hurt, because that's a part of skateboarding. Now, once you've got a decent speed, bend down low with your knees, not your back. Get close, like you want to bend down pretty close to the ground, and do the whole pop, jump, slide like you would for an ollie. But use your front foot to flick out in a kicking motion away from the board. Don't kick down, because then the board won't flick right. You want to flick out, jump as high as you can, and watch for the grip tape. Once you see black, slam it down bolts, because that's how you get stees. If you made it this far, I'd like to give you a huge thanks and ask you to subscribe, ring that bell, and leave a comment. Like this video.